George Quett, and today I'm here with
Jordan from Jordan and Callie Swan.
Hey guys, so what are we opening up today?
So today I'm opening up a Smooshy Mushy.
So before you continue, the Smooshy Mushy, we just opened up a giveaway where we won a bunch of Smooshy Mushy swag. So now I thought, hey, let's go ahead and get some Smooshy Mushies. So which one did we get, Callie?
We got
Libby
Labby.
Yep.
We got Heather.
Sickle.
Freddy, French fries, mini bottle.
Mini Bestie Bottle. Okay, what series is it?
Series 2.
And what's the ages for?
Ages for 6 and plus.
Alright, let's take a closer look at the packaging. So it says squeezable. It's squishy friends.
Also,
and compressible.
tray included.
Yeah, so it says right here that the smushy the smushy holder included. So squeeze me.
I want to squeeze it so bad.
All right, so Callie, let's open up yours, and then we'll go to Jordan's.
Okay. Oh, squishy.
So this is the cool holder. Does it come with some surprise ones?
Yeah,
or?
it comes with oh no, there's just like a hole.
Oh, okay.
So I think.
What's this?
This is a name card.
Whoa. Let's see.
Yeah.
So, Smooshy Mushy Bentos. Oh, so you can put your name so you don't lose it.
Yep. Okay, now let's get the squishy out. Oh, let's squish it. Oh, it's so squishy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is
Libby Labby. Let's take a look. Let's take a closer look at
I'm
him.
gonna get this other.
Is that slow moving or fast moving, Callie?
Wait, let me squish it again. Slow riser.
I'd say that's
like in between.
I'd say that's a pretty slow riser.
This is so squishy.
So there is Libby Labby. Do not eat the hamburger, guys.
Yep,
And it looks like
it has a puppy.
Is that like a puppy on top?
Yeah, it's a puppy.
With some lettuce on his head.
And then we got
Freddy fries.
Yep. Let me.
So it's a smaller squishy.
Heather is so
Heather
cute.
Hartsicle.
Heather Hartsicle is so cute and she's so squishy. So here's Heather.
Oh, Callie, did you take a bite out of this already?
No.
And they're supposed to smell. Oh, that smells, definitely. Did you try and smell it? That's perfume scented. Yeah. I don't know what it'd be.
I think it smells like plastic. I got like these little keychains that I can hook them up. Like see like the little holes.
Oh, cool! Have, so you can hook these up.
So here's this one, right there.
So you can hook them up.
And that hole.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then I think this is supposed to be like a ketchup
There's
bottle.
the holes right there.
I think this is supposed to be like a ketchup bottle.
Oh, yes, that's the bestie. So, cool. So there's the...
I feel like this comes out.
There's the bestie bottle.
This comes out.
And what's on the very top there? Is that anything?
I don't know.
So squishy!
Squishy! This is so squishy. I love it.
Let's see. So it says here, always stuck in sticky situation, the mischievous pets need their besties to pull them out. So sweet and fun, so come and squish with us. Alright, so it looks like there's different ones. So there's the hamburger and french fry one that we got. So we got Libby Labby. So there's Harper Hippo.
Ooh.
There is Fiona Fox.
So
there is Charlie Cheesy Raccoon.
They're all so cute.
And there is Riley Red Panda. Now I think there's only one other one that I saw, and that was the panda one. I thought the panda one looked pretty cool.
Watch this, guys. Squish.
Let's see what's on the back. Oh, it's a smushy word search.
Want to squish it?
Try finding these yummy words. Words can be spelled in any direction, even backwards. So, bentos, besties, breakfast.
So put in your palm and then
Alright, so can you find any of the words here, guys? Let's see.
I'm okay at word searches. One squish this. Heather? Ready?
Try and find some. Was there anything in this one?
No. See? I opened it.
No, right here.
No, there's nothing. See? It's just...
Just a piece of cardboard or whatever?
It's just, yeah.
That's it?
See?
Alright. Cute and chill. Oh, it's like a sticker, I think, right? I think it's a sticker.
Yeah. Let me see.
Cool. Alright. So let's put this aside for a second. We can set these up.
Yeah, it's a sticker.
Okay, now Jordan, let's take a look. So we've got WWE. What's the ages for? 6+. And it's kind of dark, so it's series number 80. So it is the defending,
No, he's not.
reigning heavyweight champion of the world, Brock. I guess Universal Champion, right? Brock Lesnar. He's a champion still. But he doesn't come with a belt.
He's not defending.
Yeah, he's defending the championship.
He's never.
Alright, so in the series we can get Sasha Banks, which we have, right?
No.
We have Sasha Banks.
Yeah, the elite.
Pardon me?
Yeah, the elite.
Oh, we don't have this Sasha Banks. Oh, okay, so we have the Elite Sasha Banks. So we have to go get this one. We don't. So in the series, we can get Sasha Banks, Rich Swan, Brock Lesnar, Chris Jericho, and the big dog, Roman Reigns. Who would have thought that the big dog, there'd be another Roman Reigns figure to get? They're made by Hasbro. Go find them at WWE.com. No, that's not Hasbro. It's Mattel. Sorry.
Mattel? Did we open a toy from Mattel?
Oh yeah, all the wrestling toys are Mattel.
Oh, that's nice.
All right. So let's open it up. Let's see. Thanks, Callie. Look at that WWE. And all the wrestlers you can get. So we're gonna be looking at Brock Lesnar, the Beast.
Look at that, so just helping out.
And there is Brock Lesnar falling to the ground. Burn it down. Oh. All right. So Brock Lesnar has the tattoo. It looks like a tattoo of a sword going down his chest to his stomach to his torso. We've got the face scan. What do you think of the face scan? Face scan looks like Brock Lesnar, right, Jordan? What? I'd say that looks pretty good. All right, let's take a look at the back. Hold on, let's take a look at the back. So he has more tattoos on his back. One on the side of his arm. I think he has one on his leg, doesn't he?
No.
Okay, he might have one. His socks might be covering him up. Because I thought he had one in his just on his ankle or something like that. All right, let's take a look at his the articulation. So the arms go up and down and all around. His head goes 360 all the way around. Oh, his legs. He doesn't usually kick, but because he is a powerful brute, that's for sure. All right. Let's take him up there. I actually like his face scan. His face scan looks pretty good. So the back of his shorts, he has like a image on the back of his shorts. He
does?
Yep.
Let me see. Can I see that?
He has black socks.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Hey, you mean boots?
Sorry. Black boots? Oh yeah, so he has black boots. He has his black UFC fighting gloves, because as everyone knows, Brock Lesnar was a UFC champion.
The ketchup
All right.
spilled.
So it's Oh, the ketchup spilled everywhere. Oh no. So his gloves say Lesnar. And then it says his gloves also say, what does it say?
Put some ketchup on it.
Fear the Fury. That's what it says. Fear the Fury.
Let's put some ketchup on this.
All right, so let's rank this figure, Jordan.
Yeah, you go first.
You know what? I really like this figure. Can I see? The face scan is awesome. Even his hair. So he usually has it shaved and then has the hair coming up. That looks just like Brock Lesnar. This is our first Brock Lesnar character. So I really like it. I have to give it a 9.5. For a basic, it's pretty good. All right, Jordan.
This needs some ketchup, so that's not enough. Let's just take the cap off.
What do you rate this figure, Jordan?
I give it an 8.
You give it an 8?
Yeah,
Why do you give it an 8?
Because his face sand is not that.
Oh my gosh, his face scan looks just like it.
No,
Here, let's do some
if
real
he has
ketchup action.
If he has his mouth open, it'll be.
What, this?
Like it has like kind like that.
Yeah.
And it's kind of opened.
Alright.
I put some ketchup on that.
So Jordan gives a rating of 8. I give it a rating of 9.5. I think it's a cool Brock Lesnar figure.
The back tattoos saved it all, and all the tattoos.
The back tattoo is what?
The tattoos saved it from being a.
Oh, the tattoo saved it from being a 7 or lower. Oh, okay, that's good. All right, Mattel, you did a good job with Brock Lesnar.
Just put some ketchup on it.
Smooshy Mushy, awesome. All right, and I think, do we have?
I can rate it.
Yeah, do you want to rate it?
Yeah,
do you like
I give
it?
the whole thing.
Yeah.
I give it a 10.
You give it a 10.
Because they really added everything. Like they added a dessert, they added a side, they added the main dish.
You know, these are pretty cool. I like how big they are, and I love how slow rising they are. They're awesome.
And if you want more,
and not only that,
rider,
but they come with a tray, so you don't have to worry about it.
Also, if you want more of a fast rider, just a little bit, you can have like these, so just like squish.
Yes. All right, so we have a little surprise. What surprise do we have?
We have a pop.
We have our first
here.
pop. So we're going to be opening up our first pop. If I can find it.
I can get it for you.
And let me tell you, so our first pop. So this is the first time that we'll be doing a pop on our channel.
Pop game.
So there it is. Pop game. So it is a contest of champions. And it's number 300. It's from the Marvel Gamerverse. And it is Venompool. Oh, don't move it. Don't move it. Don't move it. Don't move it.
Is it like cousin to
Deadpool.
Don't move it. So it's a bobblehead.
He died in a pool. That's why they call him Deadpool.
Venompool 300. So it looks like it looks like his face is Venom and his body is Deadpool. All right, so let's take a look at the other. Let's take a look at the other pop ones that we can get. We can get number 297, King Groot.
That's
Yeah.
the one that I want.
Yeah, so we'll have to look out for King Groot. 298 is Guillotine. 299 is Civil Warrior. Looks cool. 300 is Venompool. 301 is Howard the Duck. And 303 is Punisher 2099. So collect them all. So this is from the Gamer Marvel Universe.
Also, they even added ketchup in the set. Like, they added ketchup.
This one must
For
be a
your
tape.
hamburger.
Callie's still on the Smooshy
That's
Mushy.
ketchup.
Look how
That's
she's not
the
excited.
best.
How she's not excited about the Gamer Universe Venompool. And when I saw this, I was like, "Oh, gotta get this one." But yes, we will have to try and find the Groot, and maybe
Yeah,
try and
Jordan
complete the
loves
set.
Groot.
Yes, he does.
Jordan loves the fruit. Oh, I thought he was squishy.
No.
He's not
Oh, let's take a look at him. Okay. Oh, so look at this. So he has Venom's big tongue. So he has like the Venom face pretty much with Deadpool's coloring.
Because Deadpool died
So-
in a pool. That's how he died.
Okay, no, it's not.
Yeah, Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Okay, so Deadpool has all of the swords.
But he's not Deadpool. It's
Venompool. It's Venom and Deadpool. You're not getting this, are you, Callie?
No. I never watched a superhero movie.
Well, you should learn. So it is a bobblehead.
Oh, bobblehead. I like
Yeah,
bobbleheads.
it's a bobblehead.
Wait, can I bobble his head?
Yeah, you can bobble his head. Okay, so it has Deadpool's swords. And who do you think would win in a fight? Would it be Brock Lesnar or would it be Venompool?
Oh.
I don't know.
Neither. Or Smooshy Mushy.
Brock Lesnar would beat up Venom and Deadpool at the same time. And look at this, and the hamburger's coming in. The Smooshy Mushy. I think the Smooshy Mushy would win because it's like all smushy. You can squeeze it and it doesn't do anything. All right. So I hope that you like. I hope you like our. Actually, I want to give this a review, Jordan. What would you give Venompool? We are a huge Deadpool
8.
character. You know what? I love this one. I'm gonna give it a 9.5 as well. So 9.5 for Venompool, 9.5 for Brock Lesnar, and a perfect 10 for the Smooshy Mushy.
Yes.
Then I'm gonna give Brock an 8.
You gave Brock an 8 as well. So you gave both of them an 8.
And my unicorn, nothing I love it.
The unicorn. All right. So remember to subscribe to the Jordan and Callie School Wad. Comment down below what you think of these. Jordan, can you put them down, please? What do you think of the rest of Brock Lesnar, Venompool, and the Smooshy Mushy?
I think it's a 10.
Give the video a big thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. And until next time.
Bye!
Bye.
Smooshy says bye.